introduction.
Hi, my name is Frederick Soddy. I got a scholarship at Merton College, Oxford, from which university I graduated in 1898 with first class honor in chemistry I get in 1895. After that, I went to Canada in 1900 to 1902, was demonstrator in the chemistry department of McGill University, Montreal after my 2-year research in Oxford. I turned away from the study of radioactive in 1914 and became involved in social and economic issue. I was highly critical of the inability of the world's economic system to make full use of scientific and technological advance. I worked with Refford on the disintegration radioactive element. I was among the first to conclude in 1913 that certain element might exist in forms that differ in atomic weight while being indistinguishable and inseparable chemically. Together we published a series paper of radioactive and conclude that it was a phenomenon involved atomic disintegration with the formation of new kind of matter. We also investigate the gaseous emission of radium. Leaving Canada, I worked with Sir William Ramsay at University College London, where he continued the study of radium emission. Here, me and Ramsay were able to demonstrate by spectroscopic means that the element helium was produced in the radioactive decay of a sample of radium bromide, and that helium was involved in decay of emission. From 1904 to 1914, I was lectured in physical chemistry and radioactivity in the University of Glasgow. Here I do much particle chemical work on radioactive material. During this period, I involved so-called displacement law, namely that emission of an alpha particle from an element causes that element to move back 2 places in periodic table. My peak was reached in 1913 with my formation of concept of isotopes, which state that certain elements exist in 2 or more forms which have different atomic weight but which are indistinguishable chemically. In 1914, I appointed professor of chemistry at the University of Aberdeen, but plans for research were hampered by the war. In 1919, I became Dr. Lee Professor of Chemistry at Oxford University, a post I hold until 1937 when I retired on the death of my wife. After my period of Glasgow, I do no future works in radioactivity. My interest changed to economic, social, and political theories, which gains no general acceptance at the time, and to unusual mathematical and mechanical problem. I elect a fellow of the Royal Society in 1910, and Oxford award me an honorary degree. I was awarded the Albert Medal in 1951. I was a man of strong principles and obstinate view, friendly with students and critically with colleagues. I will be dead on September 22, 1956 at Brighton.